Violence mars Uttar Pradesh's block panchayat elections. Large-scale clashes, firing, chaos, allegations of nomination papers being snatched away from several districts. The block panchayat chief elections are at the eye of the major political storm. Opposition parties like SP, BSP, Congress and even Bihar's RJD have trained their guns at Yogi government. Rahul has taken a jibe saying that the name of violence has been changed to masterstroke in UP. Mayawati said there is just only jungle raj in the state. Former Bihar Chief Minister RJD's Rabri Devi has said that no woman in UP is safe under Yogi government. Meanwhile, BJP has claimed victory on 334 seats for block Pramukh posts, while elections are being held for 476 block posts of block chiefs today. Polling is going to be held between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. and results to be declared in the evening.
मुख्यमंत्री जी के इशारे पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों ने गुंडई की है। इतनी गुंडागर्दी चुनाव में कभी नहीं हुई होगी जिस तरह की भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने की है। इसके लिए अगर कोई दोषी है तो प्रशासन के लोग दोषी हैं। उस बहन के साथ जो अन्याय हुआ, जो अपमानित होना पड़ा है, समाजवादी पार्टी पूरी ईमानदारी से के साथ उसके साथ खड़े है। समाजवादी पार्टी का ये आरोप ही नहीं और ये सच्चाई है कि उसके साथ जो व्यवहार हुआ है उसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता नेता शामिल थे। उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो। जो बहन के पर्स से चोरी हुई है, उसका सामान जो छीन गया है या जो मोबाइल छीन गया है, वो सब सामान वापस हो। यही समाजवादी पार्टी की मांग है।
मैं पूछना चाहता हूं योगी आदित्यनाथ जी से, स्वस्थ लोकतंत्र की परिकल्पना के बारे में बार बार भाषण देते हैं योगी आदित्यनाथ जी। क्या लोकतंत्र का चीरहरण होगा? बम चलेंगे, गोली चलेगी, लोगों की हत्या की जाएगी, लाठी चलेंगे, अपहरण होगा, लोग पर्चा भरने जाएंगे, उनके पर्चे को छीन के फाड़ दिया जाएगा। क्या यही लोकतंत्र की मर्यादा है?
Srivastav is reporting from Lucknow, getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest. Samars, what's going on as far as the Panchayat polls in UP is concerned? There is a state of war going in. You can see all Congress, SP, BSP, all of them blaming the Bharatiya Janata Party for violence. What's happening there?
Well, misery is continuing in block chairman polls in the nominations as SP and BJP cadres have clashed with each other with crude bombs, with bricks and with other things. And the most horrific incident came into light in Lakhimpur Kheri, where a woman was mishandled and misbehaved by some supporters of Bharatiya Janata Party. That is being alleged by Samajwadi Party, and police kept on mum seeing the entire incident, after which 6 cops have been suspended. So far, the update in this entire case is 1,800 persons have been booked so far, while 5 persons have been held in the entire UP poll violence, and a total of 16 FIRs have also been registered against those who protested, be it from Samajwadi Party or BJP. Though the number of the BJP workers or independent workers were high, as in Sitapur, you can see the gunfires were on. In Lakhimpur Kheri, stone pelting was happened. In Mau, in almost every district of Uttar Pradesh, poll violence happened, and this is a big question mark ahead of the block Pramukh polls today. So you can see that at some spots also the nomination papers were even torn out. So these are the big questions and allegations made by the Congress Party or Samajwadi Party are somehow keeping the ruling BJP party in some dangerous cadre. So far the Dinesh Sharma also replied back to Akhilesh Yadav that he's just doing the politics of before the elections to get more seats. But the ground reality is what happened in the districts is very fiery. Though it is not the first time when such things are happening in the panchayat polls. Earlier also in the government of BSP and SP such things happened, but this time around you can say it was a one-way up. So if you are not being, if the candidates of Samajwadi Party are not being able to file nominations, then obviously the number of the winning candidates for the Bharatiya Janata Party would be high, and that happened. Out of around 350 unopposed persons elected yesterday, 332 were of Bharatiya Janata Party. So BJP is obviously on one edge before today's final poll verdict.
All right.
Which is around on some 450 seats. Yes.
All right, Sama, thanks for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story. Violence mars UP block chief polls, top focus on India today.